Welcome back in time for our special campaign, Vaccinate India, in partnership with Google, where we're discussing questions that a lot of you often Google and having an expert answer them for you. Now, let's take our question to Dr. Dhameja joining us on the program today. But the first question I want to ask you, Dr. Dhameja, is people often Google this question trying to understand what are the documents that one should be carrying when they go to get their vaccine.
Thank you, Sonal. So obviously, you need to have an appointment, have a slot in the vaccination center, and then carry your Aadhaar card for your identity. So they usually verify your identity, your date of birth. And in addition, if you have any comorbid condition, any illness, you should carry papers with the diagnosis and with the medications which you are having. So these are the things we should always carry when going to the vaccination center for the jab.
All right. And, you know, often, just to follow up to that, Dr. Dhameja, the question is that people, what should they be eating before or after the vaccine? Do you recommend that since lines are getting really long these days, that people carry like a little bag of food and water with them definitely when they go get their vaccine?
Absolutely. You need to have a good nutritious diet the day before and the day of the vaccination. Whatever medications you are having, in case you have some disease, you should carry those medicines. In case you're having a morning dose, you should have that, except for the blood thinners, which you can have after the vaccination. Otherwise, have a good night's sleep, be positive. The vaccination is very, very important. Yeah. It has taken just 300 days from lab to jab. So this is one of the most important scientific achievement of 2020. And it should be respected, and it is the only way to get out of the pandemic.
Right. And, you know, just to wrap up then what you've said, carry your identification card, the one with which you got yourself registered on the CoWIN app, that's a must.
Yes.
Your documentation or the letter or the message that you've got confirming your appointment, yes. And then just carry some water to ensure that you stay well hydrated Absolutely. All through the process. Okay, that brings me to the next question then, which is, can I get COVID vaccine without any registration?
So some of the centers do have the walk-in jabs, when you can just go and try to have the jab just in walk-in. But these days, as we see for last couple of weeks, it is always better to have the appointment slot reserved for you. Carry that SMS with you. That is always better because you don't have to wait for that and you don't become part of the crowd. So it is safer for you, safer for others if you are having an appointment and then going for the jab.
Right. And also, just to add to that, I think most of the centers above 45, it is still walk-in, but below 45, you still have to take an appointment on the CoWIN portal to ensure that you make your way in. So that's an important clarification. Also, I think I have time for one more question, which I can squeeze in, which is, can I choose the COVID-19 vaccine? Often Googled, people often wonder which one to go for. There are 3 vaccines at the moment currently available in the country, Dr. Dhameja, but what do you tell people who are still wondering what to do, which one to choose from, and can they choose?
So this is most common question asked to me, and I always tell them the best COVID-19 vaccine is the first one that is available to you. Do not wait for any specific vaccine coming up on the pipeline. So whatever is available, go for it, have a jab. That's not only for you, that's also important for the others in the community, in your family, and in the society. All vaccines are safe, all are effective, all reduce the risk of your severe illness, hospitalization, and death.
All right. So take the vaccine that is available to you, not don't try and pick and choose at this point. And as and when perhaps, Dr. Dhameja, we go ahead in our vaccination program, so many others in the pipeline at this point, there will be many more coming up. So lots of more choices as well coming up for people.
Yes. But at the moment, go for whatever is available. Whatever is the first one that is available to you, please go and have the jab. That's the message. And NDTV is doing a wonderful job for the vaccine advocacy. We are all vaccine ambassadors, and this will go a long way to get out of the pandemic. I must compliment NDTV.
Well, thank you, and thank you to all the doctors as well, giving us your very precious time at this moment to try and get the right word across. Thanks so much for joining us.
Pleasure. Always.